Head out for your next jog in style when you wear these running shoes by On. They feature a textile and synthetic upper that has a sock-like construction with a stretchy collar for easy slip-on, and they have a functional lace-up closure to give you a secure and custom fit. They have mesh panels allowing for breathability to keep your feet nice and cool, and you can see the branding details on each side and at the tongue, giving you a look that's recognizable and stylish. Inside, there's a textile lining with cushioning around the collar to give your ankle support, and a removable footbed that is cushioned to keep you comfortable all day. The lightweight midsole has CloudTec technology that promotes a natural rolling motion to make for better landings and takeoffs, and it also has Helion superfoam cushioning that is responsive yet protective, and it's resistant to temperature change for year-round performance. It's all on top of a durable and flexible synthetic outsole that has a rocker heel for a smoother stride, and it has grippy rubber pads for enhanced traction. Wear these with any athletic attire.